Hi, I'm Nancy Best, and welcome to the virtual tour of 2901 Chisholm Trail in Salado, Texas. This home is located right on the golf course in Mill Creek, and so it is a beautiful property. I can't wait to show you the inside and also the beautiful backyard. This home has 2668 square feet. It has 3 full bedrooms and an office, and 2 and 1.5 bathrooms. So it is a split floor plan, and we've got the primary on the right and secondary bedrooms on the left. There's engineered wood and travertine tile in the kitchen. The engineered wood is throughout the main areas, the office, and the bedrooms do have carpet. We're going to start with taking a look at the primary bedroom. It has engineered wood. There are plantation shutters throughout the house. The primary bedroom has big windows that look out over the golf course, has its own private gas fireplace, and a door access to the patio. Large primary bathroom has a big soaking tub and split vanities. It's got a curved towel feature that houses the walk-in shower. And you've got the rain head and dual shower heads. Now, there is an enormous primary closet walk-in with built-ins. There's 2 built-in dressers, and then several rotted areas and shoe racks. So this closet is amazing for this bathroom. All right, so let me give you just a snapshot of some of the great features in this kitchen. You've got a nice center island. This is a beautiful granite. Plenty of counter space all the way around, very functional. You've got a pull out here for the trash. Dual sinks that are porcelain. The built-in microwave and the stove. There's also an additional warming drawer. So lots of storage. And you've got a pass-through to an office and pass-through to the eating area and open to the living room. Everyone wants to know, where's the pantry and how big is it? So let's take a look. Nice large walk-in pantry with tall set shelves, so plenty of room. Now, through the kitchen, we have this hallway that leads back to a half bath, some extra storage, the laundry room, and the garage. We're going to go ahead and take a peek in the garage because it is a 2-car with also a golf cart bay. So, kind of like a 2.5. Extra door for the golf cart. So there is an office space. The engineered wood is through here. Again, the plantation shutters are throughout this home. We'll walk through. There is a formal dining area. I want to stop just a minute and take a look out these windows in the living room, which all backs to the golf course. There's built-in cabinets and a gas fireplace here as well. So there's a pocket door that kind of allows you to close off the hallway between the 2 secondary bedrooms. Got a linen closet in the hallway and a full bath with a walk-in shower.